If you want the control and aggressive look of a classic manual shifter while keeping the convenience of an automatic transmission, the B and M Unimatic automatic shifter is designed exactly for that purpose. This shifter transforms the driving experience by combining performance-inspired styling with reliable, easy-to-use automatic operation, making it a favorite for street cars, hot rods, muscle cars, and custom projects. Developed by BM, the Unimatic shifter is styled to resemble a traditional manual 4-speed shifter, giving your interior a bold performance character. At 12.72 inches tall, it stands out without being intrusive, delivering a solid and confident feel every time you grab the handle. The included T-handle and boot complete the classic look while keeping the installation clean and finished. Shifting performance is where the Unimatic truly shines. Its detent-style shifting mechanism uses a spring-loaded tab for each gear, providing positive, deliberate shifts you can feel. This design helps prevent missed gears and adds confidence whether you are cruising or driving aggressively. The cable-operated system allows for quick installation and accurate gear engagement, with a rear entry cable layout that simplifies routing and placement. Versatility is another major advantage. The Unimatic shifter is designed to be mounted almost anywhere on the vehicle floor, making it ideal for a wide range of custom builds. It is especially useful when converting a column-shifted automatic to a floor-mounted setup. The included 5-foot shifter cable provides flexibility for different vehicle layouts without additional modifications. Safety is also built in. The shifter features a neutral safety switch, helping ensure the vehicle only starts in the proper gear positions. This adds peace of mind for both street-driven and project vehicles. Automatic shifters from B and M, excluding cables, are backed by a limited lifetime warranty, reflecting confidence in long-term durability and performance. Owners consistently praise the Unimatic for its simplicity, reliability, and excellent value. Many users return to it for multiple builds, highlighting how easy it is to install, operate, and maintain while staying friendly to the budget. If you are looking for one of the best value automatic shifters that delivers classic style, positive shifting, and proven reliability, the B and M Unimatic is a smart choice. Check the link in the video description to see current pricing and availability, and subscribe to the channel to discover more performance parts that bring style and function together for your next build.